Right. Hello. I want to show you how to participate in the BakerySwap airdrop that will be happening very very soon. Snapshot will happen on February 26th. So first thing first is for you to buy Bake on Binance. You have to buy Bake on Binance. After you've bought Bake on Binance, you transfer your Bake, of course, to your Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet supports BEP20. So Bake is a BEP20 token. So you send your Bake to your Trust Wallet. You just copy your Trust Wallet address and send your Bake to it. When you send your Bake to it, you come to the app browser. You go to the app browser. You see, you type in BakerySwap BakerySwap.org, and you send it in. Now when your BakerySwap loads, now this your BakerySwap is already connected to your Trust Wallet and all that. So you first of all, the number of bake that you send into your Trust Wallet will appear here in your Bake balance. And next thing to do is for you to go under earning. Under earning, you will see N Bake, Bake staking, and all that. So you go to under Bake staking, or you go to under N Bake, and then you look for bread. Remember, I said that you should stake under bread pool. You look for bread. So now you've seen bread. Sometimes you have to go down to find bread. You have to go down to find bread. Now you select the bread and you click on approve bake. It take you to pay some gas fee. Now, okay, sorry. Yeah. Now I know. First of all, before you get to this point, as long as you loaded your BakerySwap.org, please change the network here to Binance Smart Chain. Change the network up here to Binance Smart Chain. Change it to Binance Smart Chain because I've been wondering why I'm not seeing anything. So that everything will sync to the Binance Smart Chain. So I'll change my Ethereum to Smart Chain. Please don't forget to change from Ethereum to Smart Chain. Now, this is it. Then you go to so this is under earning, but under earning you're supposed to see, this is showing like this because I had already staked Bake. So under earning you're supposed to see different pools you're going to join. So look for bread pool. When you look for bread pool, you click on stake under bread pool, and after you click on stake under bread pool, then you select, you see this like on stake sign. Beside it you see the quantity of bake you have available, and then you click max. All the bake you enter inside, and then you click confirm. After you click confirm, you start earning your bake. That you've staked your bake under bread pool. You staked your bake under bread pool. Remember what I said. First thing first is for you to buy bake on Binance Exchange, then copy your Trust Wallet address and paste it on your Binance to withdraw your bake. Your bake will appear on your Trust Wallet. Then you go to your DR browser, you type in BakerySwap.org, and it will open. When it opens, you go under earning. Under earning, you see the different pools that you can join. Look for bread pool. You look for bread pool, They click on it to stake your bake. Then after staking your bake, you start earning extra bake tokens, and then you snapshot to happen on 26 for the airdrop. Alright, so that's it. That's how to stake your bake to earn bake, so you can participate, so that you can qualify for the airdrop, for the snapshot towards the airdrop happening on the 26th. Snapshot to happen on the 26th, then we wait for the airdrop. Thank you.